Welcome back everyone, I'm Steven from Steve's Propagation Corner, and today I will be repotting this snake plant here. As you can see, it's giving me the most common warning signs of being root bound. Some of the leaves, these right here, they're looking sad and droopy like that. It's also very overgrown. It's gotten really big, all that foliage. It's been in this pot for almost 2 years now. Although snake plants like to be root bound, it's usually recommended that they be repotted every 1 to 2 years. So basically overdue for it being repotted, and it's giving me the most common warning signs. So today I will be repotting it and showing you how I do that. Thanks for joining me. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, do all that good stuff. Let's get started. Look at those roots. So pretty, so big. Roots look good. Looks like it's in really good condition. There's no signs of it having root rot. It does look like it was pretty root bound though. Look at those big roots, but still in really good shape, really good condition. Everything looks pretty healthy, so that's good. Doesn't look like I don't need to prune any of the roots. That's pretty cool. They look in really good condition. Some piece of plastic, don't want that, don't need that. It'd be so nice to propagate that. However, I've already propagated quite a few snake plants before. If you're interested in learning how to propagate snake plants, you can check out my video on how to propagate snake plants by division. The link should be down in the description. This plant looks really good condition. Roots are really healthy. Look at that, that's beautiful. It just needs to be repotted and it will be fine. I'm not even going to break down the soil or anything. It doesn't really need to be broken down. I would just reuse the same soil and add new soil to the big pot that I'm going to be using. Well, that's all I got for you today, guys. Plant is looking good. It's gonna look great in a few months. It's gonna grow like crazy, I can already tell. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, like this video, comment, share, do all that good stuff. You know what to do. Thanks for joining me. And if you have any tips or comments you'd like to share, please leave them down in the comments. See you in the next video.